Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Boeing. Boeing has been on a bit of a tear recently, okay? Been going up and up and up. Although technical indicators say they keep going higher, we've seen a little bit of curb here this week. So it might be time to sell another covered call, potentially. I have a lot of this Boeing stock, and it's underwater a little bit. Trying to create some cash flow on it and make some cash back, reduce my cost basis. The last covered call I sold was at 145, and right now it's underwater by like a lot, 13 bucks. So that's what we call not good. Okay, technical indicators said it was going higher, and I'll be darned that it went higher. So I didn't think it would, with all the news surrounding Boeing and 777 and the MAX and all that stuff. But once again, I was incorrect. So reminder to everybody, follow the technical indicators in the system and you'll make money. If you don't, you're going to get burned. So if I would have sold the cash covered put, probably would have been a great thing to do. But I didn't. I sold covered call because I was scared. I just came off of that low collar that I sold. Low collar is explained in another video if you guys are on the channel. So if you guys want to see my stock trades real time, join up in the channel. You can see those. So take a look here at Boeing. Looks like, like I said before, MACD might have come down a little, and the stochastic may have turned. And it looks like even this might be going slightly lower. It's hard to say what's going to happen this week. So stay tuned on the channel for my trade this week in Boeing. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, I like Boeing a lot. Like you said before, it's a great company to be in for the long term, so I don't really want to get out. I want to wait for it to go back up to $300 or $400, and then maybe I'll unload some of what I have. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to join up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.